everyone, and welcome to my first video ever on YouTube. Oh my god, it's so awkward. So, you wanna cover your face and look natural and look pretty when you ain't looking pretty? Well, I gotcha, even if you're on a budget. Cause I'm on a budget, 70 days a week. Anyway, you don't need to have the same products I'm using, and it don't takes a lot of skill or effort to do this type of makeup. So, but first, please excuse my bad English, it's not my first language. Also, ignore my ugliness and the weird lighting. Yeah, one last thing. I really appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button and the like button. Now, really, enjoy. Hello, another time. So, we're gonna start with cleansing our face by using a cleansing milk and the Lumen Mini 2 for Lumen Mini 2. I love this device a lot. Now I'm just using some aloe vera gel, and actually I use this as a primer. Now I'm using Versailles Gold Elysium Rose. Makes my skin so dewy and glowy. And because we are not on Instagram, we are just going to drop this the palm and apply it directly on your face. Because you're gonna spread it everywhere in a crazy amount. You don't need that. That's real life, not Instagram. Now I'm just using a BB cream, and I will apply more of it and build it more up on places that I have more acne to cover it more. BB cream will make your skin look naturally pretty and flawless, and it's not heavy, especially for the people that don't wear foundation on a daily basis, like your skin is not used on foundation or you don't like the feeling of a foundation on your face. You can go with any type of BB cream or a CC cream. I'm blending the foundation using a brush that looks like a hairbrush, but it's a foundation brush. You can use beauty blender or any sponge you would like. Now I'm just reapplying it on any pimple I have it on my face, so I can cover that more, and I'm using a tiny sponge to blend this because I have more control like this. And small beauty blender look really cute. Now using a medium coverage concealer on my under eyes, but I'm not dragging it all the way up, just in the inner corners, so it would look more natural. And with this small beauty blender again, I will blend it and it just looks natural. If you're gonna pull it all the way up, it would just looks like you have makeup and you're just going to look more extra. Now I'm using eyebrow mascara, I think called eyebrow mascara. I don't know, so I'm going to apply it on my brows to keep them up. I think it's called eyebrow gel. Yeah, probably eyebrow gel. Yeah. I'm just contouring with Wet n Wild Mega Glow palette using the banana shade under my eyes and the dark shade to contour my cheeks. Now I'm going to do my blush and using a pinky shade, a soft pinky shade, all over my cheeks. It would just make you look more alive and awake and healthy, even though maybe you are not and your skin is damaged AF, but that will help. Blush helps. Using Wet n Wild Mega Glow again to contour my nose with a contour brush. This type of brush really helpful to contour your nose or any small area, and you also can use them on your eyes, so I recommend these. And just dab your nose to blend the contour even more. Dab to make your nose look fab. Now we curl the lashes, but make sure you won't cut them. You don't want a bald eye, don't ya? Now I'm just sucking up my lips, literally, to make them look fuller and pinky. Then applying lipstick in the very inside of the lip, so it would just make them look so cute and naturally rosy, even if the lip was kind of dark. It's like tinting them with a lipstick. Then I realized that I forgot doing my eyeshadow. How professional! And I'm going back to the Wet n Wild palette, just contouring my eye with the brush that I talked about for the nose. It's a really good brush. This is from Zoeva, to give some shades to my eyes, because your actual eyes, your natural eyes, have some type of colors and shades in them, so this way they are more natural eyes. Then I'm going to use this highlight from Juicy Beauty to highlight my inner corners. It's so soft highlight and so pretty. It will make your eyes pop and look awake, and it's actually lavender highlight, but it's still so natural for some reason. Also highlight my cheeks because I wanna glow. I wanna glow like a disco ball. Also highlighting my nose, and that's it. That's a full face of natural makeup. If you like the video, please hit that subscribe button so you can support me, and hit the like button, and you can follow me on my Instagram at VambiJ. Thank you so much for watching.